Kolweni sami khona banokuvuka umoya bavuke angeke ngithi izinto because bavuka amadlozi and all of that mase kubizwa mina esikoleni sami kubizwa mina because ngisho ukuthi yimi inyanga angeke ngithi ngedwa but sebayibonile ne ngifike lapha ngithole baba roundile bayabashutha umshuthelana why umshutha bamshele inibiza ngani flate bambamba amadlebe bamdonsa inywele ubani wena to do that so ibhlungu kakhulu because nami I've been in that situation ukuthi angazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani you just sit awazi ukuthi umemezephi uyenzeni ngathi ungabaleka but kuba bhlungu ngima ngibona umuntu agwa through the same situation as me usaba nokutshela umzali because umzali uzothi amademon so please abazali engikhuluma nabazali kakhulukazi please ngicela nihlale phansi nabantwana benu hambe enyangeni uyohlola